Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from team GH2PS089 and today we will present our capstone project called Save Money. Easy Save Your Money Makes You Happy. We will present with each main topic. We will introduce our team, logo, background, reason, existing result, implementation, result documentation, and go-to-market. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. I am Faisal Anandan Rida, team lead and cloud computing, and this is my teammates, namely one Arka Trilabda Wasana from cloud computing, Adrian Saputra from mobile development, Usparman Narlu from mobile development, Abdul Aziz Sukmawan from machine learning, Salsabila Sigradasya from machine learning, and Wisnu Purnomo from machine learning. And this is our application logo, and this is our background. Our app addressed post-COVID-19 safe in Indonesian consumption by simplifying expense tracking, aiding lower middle class budgeting challenge, and fostering financial literacy amid rising inflation, particularly in the search of online shopping. It empowers users to achieve financial goals efficiently. Next presentation, we will continue by my friends, Miss Wisnu. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. In the slide, we'll be talk about the reason effective money management is vital, particularly for millennial and Gen Z facing financial challenge. Our solution, manage money well, emphasize meticulous expense and income tracking, using Save Money as a practical tools for financial stability. Next. The problem statement can be broken down into 5 points and can be further broken down into analysis of user behavior, effectiveness of financial alert, long-term financial impact, and user education and literacy. Next. These are some of the same application as Save Money. Next. So here we will discuss the implementation of this project, especially the machine learning part. Next. The next slide is model forecast architecture. The forecasting algorithm combines CNN and LSTM, processing the 7-day user spending window. After filtering in the CNN layer, the LSTM recognizes data pattern. The final step through this dense layer provides a fully connected output, forecasting user spending for the next day. The next section will be presented by my friend, Mas Aziz.
Okay. On the result of forecasting prediction, let's say the data variable is the user spending for the last 7 days. Then the result of the model is one value, which means the prediction of the user spending tomorrow. Next slide. Okay. This is a model recommendation architecture. With the embedding of this feature, machine learning will recognize of characteristic of a stock data, which will then be selected in the Gaussian similarity algorithm stage to find the degree of similarity in other stock share. Next slide. Okay, the result of recommendation algorithm accept user input income and expand for the past 7 days. In this case, the transform function will output a stock code that is close to the mean feature in the stock dataset. Then the stock code is passed to the model function to provide a similarity recommendation for each stock data. Okay, next slide. This is a API for machine learning model. Next slide. Sorry. This is API service for machine learning model. API service is developed to enable the mobile application to consume machine learning response, offering stock recommendation, user spending prediction, and financial guidance. Deploying on Cloud Run integrates with Cloud Build for seamless CI/CD implementation.
Okay, for cloud architecture, we use Cloud Run as our main service. There are two services like API backend and API model. For database, we use Firestore and Firebase authentication because cheaper than other service. Next slide. We choose Firebase as our database for its NoSQL nature and user-friendliness. Our database design includes a user collection containing UID generated by Firebase. Within each collection, there are expense and income sub-collection housing user-specific expenditure and income data. Next. To bright With mobile development, we create API backend service to manage users, expense, and income for the Save Money application. Using Firebase, Firestore, and Node.js Express, deployed to Cloud Run, and use Cloud Build to implement CI/CD. Next. This is the UI UX design of our application. We created simple and attractive interface using color that are in harmony with the logo of our application, and the navigation also make it easier for user to use this application. Next. This is user flow from our application, that from authentication. User can choose to register if they don't have an account. Then if successful register, the user can log in by entering their email and password. Firebase ensure reliable and efficient authentication experience, improving the overall user journey. Then at attraction, in the user flow, at attraction, user easily enter income and expense with an efficient interface. Next slide. Our application has 5 main pages, namely dashboard page, transaction page, add transaction page, stock recommendation page, OJK investment portal page, which we will explain in the next slide. And next slide will explain by Mas Usmar. Mas Usmar, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Next slide. Next slide, please. First, before accessing the authentication menu, a first script which give a positive information to the user. After that, the user is directed to the login screen. Here they simply enter the credential, and we ask for the identity verification. For those who don't have an account, you can register via the register button below the login screen. With Firebase passport reset function, user can easily regain access to the direct account if they forget their passport. Next. Our dashboard is on one-stop overview. Top section display account balance, total spending, and income. Just below, visual graph illustrate your financial trends. Scroll a bit more to fit our news feed for feed updates. It's all about simplicity and insight. Next. Then in the transaction pack, we offer a brief overview of the transaction history of the last month and current month, displaying a chart showing the net difference between expense and income. Below, user can find a detailed list of the trade transaction of transparent financial figure. Next. Then at transaction pack, so how easy it is to add income and expense transaction to our system. User can easily enter amongst select category and relevant note and specific transaction dates. In simplicity, the process improve the user experience and ensure accurate record keeping. Thank you.
The stock recommendation page provides comprehensive stock development and visual representation via graph based on user expense and income, enabling user to make informed investment decision. Next. The OJK portal page offers crucial information on company register for investment under OJK supervision, enabling user to make informed investment decision. Next. Then in transaction detail page, user can view transaction detail that they make, then edit them by clicking the edit icon in the top right corner beside delete icon. Navigate to the edit page, and lastly delete them by clicking the delete icon in the top right corner. Next. Lastly, our app also has a new page to help user more easily find out the latest financial news and information. Thank you. Next presentation will be presented by our friend Zika. Time is yours.
Next, we'll talk about our documentation. Here is our repository. You may follow this link, github.com/savemoney-10. Next. This is our last presentation section. Here we'll talk about go-to-market. Here are several main aspects and also our focus on this project that differentiate our project from others. There are finance dashboard, recent transactions, stock recommendation, and financial literacy. There are 3 apps we mentioned here that are pretty similar with our project, which is Wallet Budget Planner, Money Plus Queued Expense, Money Lover, and those apps doesn't have stock recommendation and financial literacy. Next, we'll talk a bit about StockBit. Even though this is quite different, but this might help you to gain better picture to our product, which is not a stock-related app. So here you can see there's no finance dashboard and stock recommendation at StockBit. This is our project milestone for next year. At the beginning of next year, we will have preparation and soft launching. Next, in March, we have an improvement phase, which is quite an important phase to enhance our project. In April, we'll be expanding our market, and in May, we'll be looking for partnerships and stakeholders. And finally, is the analysis and evaluation phase. This is our $10,000 budget plan. You could see our expense estimation for this project here. Without lingering, let's move to the next slide. These are our future developments. Our first plan is to create a premium article featuring investment analysis and insights, customized recommendation based on our user needs and preference, trading signals available for purchase by users, and personalized one-on-one financial coaching for our consultation. So that's all from us, and that's the end of Project Capstone presentation. Thank you, and I'll give it back to Faisal.
Okay, sorry. Okay, thank you for watching our presentation group. Sorry if there are any mistake. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.